Hey guys, what's going on? Steven here. So I just picked this up. This is the Savant PC. It's a little acrylic waterway or distribution block. It's for the 011 Dynamic. So what I'm going to do is we'll unbox it, check it out. I'll show you where it goes and how it goes inside the case. And so let's get it open and check it out. Hey guys, I've partnered with IPVanish to bring you a special offer using the link in the description below. IPVanish keeps you web surfing safe by passing your online traffic through an encrypted tunnel. You can access websites and media without restrictions, stops your ISP from interfering with your connection, and keeps you secure while on public Wi-Fi. There's no internet throttling, so speeds are great. They have an awesome mobile app with over 1,500 VPN servers in 75 plus locations and 24/7 customer support. Use the link in the description to save big and get started with IPVanish today so you can browse the web safe and secure. Alright, so the link for this will be down in the description below. It was 25 bucks, but then it went up 5, so it was $30. So we have 4 screws there, look like M4 screws. Looks like we have 2 stickers, and we have 2 pieces here inside the box. I don't know why we have 2 pieces. It's only supposed to be 1, but we will find that out. I hope I don't have to put this together. No, I don't. So this does have a mirror finish for the back. So I'll show you the waterway block there first, so you can see it there. And where this is supposed to be mounted to is in the back of the case, right where your GPU mounts or PCI expansion things. And here's the mirror finish. Has a little plastic on there. You can peel that off. But so that's how it would look. What I'm thinking about doing is what I'll probably do is I'll probably flip it over and I'll probably paint this side white because I have that red fluid, and I think with the white it would really make that pop. Let's see how the dimensions of this. So it looks like we have 4 inches by 1 5/8 inches, and it is just shy of 3/4 inch thick. So nice little thing here. And so what I'm going to do is I'll show you where this goes in the case, and I'll get it installed and show you how it looks. So let's go over to the case now. Alright guys, so we're over here at the computer now. Like I said, 011 Dynamic XL, and where this mounts is right here. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take the thumb screws off of this Phanteks vertical GPU mount and just put some regular screws in there. That way this will sit flush in there. And like I said, this is meant just to go where this little plate is. And I think since I have the white case and that nice red fluid, I think having the white back will make it look pretty good. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed, go down, hit that subscribe button right now. I've got a video coming out showing how to connect any RGB strip to Corsair, the Commander Pro, or the Lighting Node Pro. I actually have my GPU block and my EK Waterblock up there, all controlled, the lights all controlled through Corsair IQ software. So if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. I got a video coming detailed show you exactly how to get any RGB strip to work with that. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll get some regular screws to put in there, and we'll get this guy mounted there. We'll change around the tubing, and I'll be back to show you how that looks. Alright guys, so sorry the audio on here is going to be kind of crappy, but I got the little distro block installed. It's been 2 days. The reason why is because I installed the Alphacool ice block back in there, because the in and out ports right there match up exactly to those ones. As you can see, this pipe kind of bends up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get an offset fitting, because when I have that ice block on there, the flow is literally like a dribble, and with that Velocity, that EK Velocity CPU block on there, the flow is awesome. So I've put the 30mm thick radiator up here and the 45mm one down there. I do still have some bubbles to get out. I'm just leak testing it right now. As you can see over there, I have a power supply just hooked up. It's just running the pump. So I will continue to leak test, try to get these bubbles out. Alright guys, so I've got it all back together. Still do have a little bit of an air pocket inside the GPU there. Just got to get that out. There's also still a little bit of stuff on there. I didn't take it apart just because I think I might upgrade to 3000 series after I see some benchmarks. As you can see up there, the flow hasn't changed since I put back on that EK block. Didn't restrict flow at all. Temps are running great. 34, 35, and GPU, that always stays at 32. But there it is. If you guys aren't sure what this is just AIDA64, and you can custom make that there. That's just my secondary screen there that I use. So yeah, there it is there. And sorry I haven't had videos up lately, guys. I've been dealing with my diabetes crap, but good news is I have a brand new pump on the way. So hopefully things should change and I'll be pumping out some videos. So if you guys aren't subscribed, please go down and do so. And I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time. Take care.